I'd like to welcome you to my class today, and we are going to be talking about the machine parts. There are a lot of machine part areas that are encompassed in this sewing machine. And the first one that I'd like to talk about is the arm of the sewing machine, which is right here. The arm of the sewing machine is very important because when you're lifting the arm of the sewing machine, you can put your actual hand underneath the arm and carry the sewing machine like that. That is a good safety feature of the sewing machine. The next thing that we would like to focus on is the needle bar. This needle bar is the connection link to the sewing machine, and you can thread your needle in various different ways, but you have to use the needle bar. And when you are sewing, you have to keep your needle bar up in order to keep your machine going at a good rate. In order to thread your machine, you must have your needle bar up. If you have your needle bar down, it will not have the proper tension in your needle bar. The next thing that we will be talking about is a very important part of your sewing machine, and it is the feed dogs. The feed dogs are located on the main part of your sewing machine, and they are lifted up and down. If you do not lower your feed bars, you will not have any tension on your machine. You will not be able to sew at all. This is one of the most important things that you will have on your sewing machine. We will also talk about the hook. The hook is a section where you have to put your sewing machine, put the material. In this whole area right here that I'm going to circle is the area where you are going to sew. Let me reduce the area a little bit right here. And in this area, you have something called a feed bar. This feed bar right here is very important because you feed your material through the feed bar, and you can actually have the material slide through very easily. The next thing that we'd like to talk about is your main control. It's the circuit board. And on the main control, it has very many variety of stitches that you can use in your sewing machine. The main control will tell you what to do at all times. If you want to sew straight stitch, zigzag stitch, or whatever stitch you would like to do, you must press a button on the main control system. I've been talking for 3 minutes, so is that long enough? I think that's what it is. Okay, thank you for joining my class today. I will be more enthusiastic next time. Have a great day. Okay, do I just push done when I'm done? That looks neat. Are you finished too? Oh. Yeah. Okay, how do I finish this? Do I just push? Yeah.
Done.
Okay, and then what? That's it?
Then I'll tell you.
Okay.